I'm Stephanie Garrett, and this is Creative Inspiration. Hey guys! In this video, we're going to be making a loaded gift bag. Now, I got this wonderful inspiration from watching a channel, Lyric Clover 810, and I believe the young lady's name is Amber. And she makes such cute crafty things, and I thought, oh, I wonder if I can make that. So I was very inspired, and I want you to be inspired to make your own as well. Now, we're approaching Valentine's Day, so we're going to be doing a little Valentine's theme. However, we might not be using like red and, you know, stuff like that. We might just use some pretty pinks. Now, I went ahead and made one already. I made a few of them actually, because I'm like addicted to making these now. I made some the other day and they came out amazing. Look at how pretty that is. Oh, and I thought I wanted to share this with you because I want you to be able to make your own as well. And can you see that in the camera? So yeah, it came out really, really cute, and it's got all these little goodies in it. Can you see that? All these little goodies, and it's not even loaded like I want to put it in. I just put this stuff in it for time because this is what I had, but I'm going to put a lot more stuff in here, and it's going to be nice and full and fat and juicy. So that's what we're going to be doing today. So I'm going to go over the papers we have. Actually, the papers that I'm going to use, one of the papers I'm going to use is from this vintage Valentine 6x6 paper pad. I got this at Hobby Lobby for let's see, what is it? $6.99. It was 40% off. So that's not bad. And I got this at Michael's and I had a coupon, I think. So 40% off as well. So that's these are nice, really nice, cute little paper pads. What's great about these is they're nice and small, so you can use these for smaller projects, your smaller paper crafting projects, and then you can use your bigger 12x12 pads for, you know, your bigger project. Although for this bag we're going to make today, I'm going to use a small one of the 6x6 papers, and I'm going to use a 12x12, and I'll show you that. I'm going to use this one, and it's so pretty. Look at that. How pretty is that, right? So you see the camera? Cover my face. Okay, see? So I'm going to cut it down and use a little piece for the bag, and I'll still be able to use this for some other projects I'm going to work on, right? And I'm going to use two different sizes of bags, and I already started working on one of them. I'm just going to use your standard paper craft bag. I got these, I think I got these at Michael's. You can get a pack of them for $2.99, I believe, and you can also use a coupon, or you can get them really anywhere, you know. So I have this one I'm going to use, and then I have one that I kind of started on because I wanted to dry on the edges, one of these. This is also a craft bag, but it has the handles. But I'm going to take the handles off, I think. But if you want to, you can leave the handles on. It's up to you. You know, you can just clip little things on the handles and make it really, really cute. Put ribbons on them and everything like that. So I started on this one because I actually like this size. It's a really nice size to work with. So that's what we're going to be working on today. So we're going to be using one of these and one of these. All right. So I'm going to go over what you need, which is really just glue. You need your adhesive, your favorite adhesive. I got this at Hobby Lobby. I wanted to try some new glues. I have like 4 or 5 different types of glue, so I just wanted to try that one. And your tape here, and that's it. And your bone folder. So those are your tools that you're going to need for this project. And let's go ahead and get started. So now what I'm going to do is glue my little flaps down here on the bag. Still not quite an expert yet on this, so this is all new for me as well. Okay, and then you're going to take your paper and situate it however you want it to, but I kind of wanted the little gate to kind of be like right like that, so when you fold up your flap to make your pocket, the little gate looks like that, right? Okay, that's so pretty. This paper is so pretty. It's a 12x12 piece of paper that I just cut down. Okay, and I put my little board here because I don't want to put glue on my mat, and I had the hardest time cleaning off all the glue and the paint off my mat recently, so decided to put something down for the glue. Okay, so that's why I have the cardboard here, and then after you're done you could just toss it out if you want your cardboard, I mean. all right, oh, nice and sticky. And we're going to move our cardboard here for a second. We're going to bring it back though because we're going to need it. Now I like the way this is looking, and I'm just going to place it just like so. Okay, well, wait, let's see, hold on. I want to kind of go to the top here. Yeah, There we go. Make sure it's not crooked or anything. And there you go. Done and done. Okay, so when you fold it, make your little pocket, which is going to be right here, your little gate is sticking out. Your little gate is sticking out. Isn't that cute? This is so pretty. All right. So we're going to go ahead and glue our flap, the bag flap down. I'm not an expert in any of this stuff, so I just like to make stuff. I'm highly creative and I love to make things. So, you know, sometimes we do make mistakes and we just have to keep it moving and keep doing really cool stuff, you know. Just try and try again. That's all we can do. All right, now you put your glue on there like so. You see that? All right. Yeah, put your glue on there. Then you just fold your little flap and you allow it to dry. Okay. And you should probably put something over it just to let it dry for a little bit. And that's really pretty so far. And this is gonna be your little pocket right here. You're gonna put all your goodies in, like this one. Okay, all your goodies are gonna go in this little pocket. I really made these nice. I took my time making these, so you know this is really, really cute. And then I put a little tea bag in here, and you know, little flowers. But we're gonna go over all that when we start making this one. So this is gonna be just as pretty as this one, I think. All right. So we're gonna have to let it dry, and then we'll have to do the back side here. I'm trying to figure out. I think I want the flower. It looks a little upside down, huh? So I think I kind of want the flowers to go like that. That's kind of pretty, huh? So let's bring back our board. Excuse my, I got paint on it. I was painting. So take our runner here, our glue runner. I need to get back one of the big giant ones because I do use these a lot. Can't see the glue so well. So make sure you do that all the corners. I'm going to do the middle too because I just like things to stay. I don't like anything popping off. When I make my cards, I do the same thing. So, all right, now take your bag and your paper and you glue it down like so. Okay. Wow, look at that. Really nice. And you take your bone folder and you do that. Okay. And you just allow it to dry for a little while. So now that we put the back on and we put the front on, we're going to put our little piece for our pocket in the front. And just do the same thing. Just take your runner, your glue runner. Okay. And you get ready to put it on the front. I really love this paper. This is like a mix and match paper, as I showed you earlier. Uh-oh. Make sure it's in the way you want it, because once it's down, it's down. Okay. Bam. Look at that. Really nice. Really, really cool. Wow, it's pretty. Oh, it kind of matches. It matches really, really nice. I wasn't sure about it at first. But hey, it's really pretty. And you know what? This can be Valentine's. This can be a really nice birthday bag. This can be just a nice general goodie bag. You know, that's how it looks on the inside. I decided not to use this one with the handles on it just because I messed it up. But this is the one with a handle. It had a handle inside. Can you see that? I took the handle off and then I put the little strip in there. You can actually put a whole piece of paper in there and just slide it down and glue it in to, you know, cover that up where you took the handle off. So I just happen to like this size of bag, but then, you know, you can see where I took the handle off and just put the little strip there. I think that looks really, really pretty. You can't even tell, really. I mean, you can slide, like I said, you can slide a whole piece of paper in there if you want with the glue and then, you know, put it in there. That'd be nice too, but I think it came out great considering these are like my first time making these. Not bad, right? Not bad for your first time making it. Well, let me show you this one. Since we're waiting for our other one to dry, put our little, and I have a tutorial, a mini tutorial coming up on these too. I'm addicted to making these little paperclip embellishments. Oh my goodness. Wow, wow, wow. Wait, let me show you. Look at that. This is another little goodie bag. And let's see. No, this is this size. So see, these two are the same size. Right? Can you see it? Wait, can you see that? These two are the same size. So I got all these little goodies in there. Look at that little pin. Look at this. Look at this little pin. Isn't this cute? Target dollar spot. Right? Isn't that cute? You got your little journals in there. You got little gems. You got all kinds of stuff. Recipe cards. You got thank you cards in here. A little purse tassel keychain thingy. Journals. You got all kinds of stuff. And like I said, this is not even as full as I want it to be. I'm going to put a bunch of other stuff in here. This is a tag that I made. A really pretty tag. I have a few of these around. I'm going to put some in here. And yeah, so this is really pretty. Got the little Valentine's heart on there. You see that? So yeah, they came out really, really nice. I love it, right? So, and then look at the back. In the back. Now I'm going to probably embellish the back as well. I just kind of kept it simple for now, but you can put stuff on the back as well. You know, you can put stickers back here or whatever else you want to put back here, but I just left it like this because I had so much stuff on the front. All right, so much stuff. So yeah, there you go. It's so pretty, right? Cute, cute, cute. All right, and then I made this one too. Since we're going over all this, I made this one too. All right. Yeah, there you go. You can see it better, I think, like that. Right, cute. All the goodies in there. I'll say I'm gonna put more goodies in here, but that's so pretty. Gosh, that can be Valentine's. It says Kisses Forever Valentine's, but you know, you can do this for any time, right? So really cute. So I found some little embellishments I'm going to use. These are the layered accents by the K & Company, I guess that's what we call it. I've had these for a while, and I've used them on different projects, and I really like these. They kind of got a 2D, 3D kind of, you know, look to them. And I have my glue gun all set up here, so I'm going to go ahead and just start putting stuff on it. You can load it up as much as you want, you know, with different flowers. I think that's pretty right there. I always put glue gun on with mine. That's just a personal thing of mine because I think it sticks better. And you can even use paper flowers, but I don't know. I like this one. It's kind of big, huh? But I guess because, yeah, if you put, you know, stuff in there, it'll look really cute. So we'll save that for the end. And or you can put something like that. Oh, that's cute. Look at that. That's cute. I like that, actually. Yay. I like that. I like when things come together. Let's get the hot glue going here. That's cute. I like when things kind of stick out, too. Look at that. It looks like a pretty little garden, doesn't it? Already, that's so cute. Already. All right. That's adorable. And I like that. Oh, you can probably even double up on it. Look at that. Double up on it. That'll be adorable. Wow. So cute already. Love it. Okay. And then I have my little heart. Little Valentine's heart sticker that I can use if I so choose. But you know what? I'm not going to hot glue this just because I'm not quite committed yet to it. I'm not sure. Oh, that's cute. Right there in the middle. Yeah. I just want to place it to see where I like things sometimes before I, you know, hot glue it, because I don't know if I'm going to like it or not. So I'll leave it there for the moment. And you know what? Let's go ahead and use one of our little embellished flowers. Some of our embellished flowers. We have plenty to choose from here. These are like our little psychedelic colors, so we won't use those. But ooh, look at that one. That's pretty. That's pretty. All right, we'll test drive it and see if we like it. And I have some other, oh wait, let's see. Ooh, that's cute. We can use a couple of those. So we got a choice here. Let's put these back. We have choices. We like choices, right? And I even have brought out my dollar store stickers just in case, because you never know what you're going to want to put on there. See, these are really cute too. My dollar store stickers, right? So I just want to test drive things and see how they look. And I like this. I actually like both of these. So I may or may not add these. I may add it at the top, like over here, right? And I'm going to start stuffing it with stuff. And I'm just going to show you some of the stuff I put in it, okay? Okay, so these are some of the things I'm going to just put in here. I got this little friendship bracelet. But you know what you can also do? You can fill the cavity of the bag. See, that's how it opens up. It's going to be nice and fat in there. And you can take some your dollar store filling, not too much, just a little, and fill it just so your stuff sticks out. So you can fill it, you know, with your dollar store little paper there, shredded paper, just just to give it a nice full feel. So I saw Miss Amber do this and I thought, oh, that's a good idea. So I'm gonna try it. I like trying new things, you know, when you haven't done anything before and trying something fun and something new. So that's really cute. So we're gonna just go ahead and start stuffing this. I have a little keychain I'm gonna put in there. I'm gonna put that in the front, I think. And I have a little tea bag. I'm gonna stick that in the front as well. And a nice little journal with a little keychain. But you know what? First I'm going to do is put some recipe cards in there. And I'm going to put like 3 of them. I only have 2 right now, but I'm going to stuff those in there. The recipe cards. This is a nice little thank you card. You can send that to someone. Okay. And you got some really cute little embellishments, some sticky notes and some little sticky gems. Really cute. Okay. Let's adjust our stuffing here. Put the keychain in there and the little journal, which is so cute. And I got these little silk bags, drawstring bags, and I use them usually for jewelry and crystals and everything. So I thought, oh, that would be a cute little fun little something to put in there too, right? So let's see if we can stick that in there. And look at the pin I got. Isn't this cute? You can stick that in there. And then you can, you know, you can put a whole bunch of stuff in here. I got pencils. Stick your pencils in there. I got a bunch of stuff I can put in here. I mean, like, really, the sky's the limit, you know. I got some picks I can put in there. I can put one of those in there. As a matter of fact, let me open it up. So cute. Look at that. Oh, isn't that cute? Let's put that in the middle so it can stick out. Can you see it? Oh, isn't that adorable? All your little goodies in there. Man, that is adorable. I'm trying to look and see if I got something else to put in there. Oh, wait, I have one of these. I had them in pink, but they already went through the pink ones. So you could stick this like on the side here if you want to go with your heart. Look at that. Oh, so cute. Cute, cute, cute. Let's move that out of the way. Isn't this cute, the little loaded gift bags? Ah, I am in love with these. Oh my goodness. And you know what? You got room for more stuff too. Look at that. You got room for a lot more stuff. So you can make these as nice and full as you want, you know. There you go. Let's just put that in the middle. There you go. See? Look. Done and done. I love it. All right. So I hope you challenge yourself and start making your own little goodie bags and gift bags. These were exciting to make. I had such a good time making these. And I will catch you next time. Ciao.